Guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, this pantry is kind of a mess. We got lots of food. But anyways, I was getting in here to get these out. These dip, because we keep our snacks stuff. These I'm not a big fan of, but everybody else likes them. I'm not a big fan at all. I got this big box down there at Sam's. So, I'm going to put them in over here in the drawer. That's where we keep snacky stuff. So, get them out of the pantry. Pantry-way. Give us up some room here. And we just got stuff everywhere. Everywhere. I see everywhere. We do. Everywhere but where it needs to be. That's for sure. But, oh well. It is what it is, right, you guys? I think I'm about to make me some chicken, broccoli. I am. I think I am. For lunch. Something. I love tomato soup, but I like it with grilled cheese, please. You guys, these things I got from Sam's, ugh, I don't like them. They're not very good at all. No, they're not. You guys, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to do some broccoli with some canned chicken breast. And then I'm going to grate up the sharp cheddar cheese and put it on top. I'll add seasoning and stuff too. Probably just some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. That's probably what I'll end up doing. And that's going to be my lunch. It's 12:30, and I haven't ate nothing. I usually use coffee as my breakfast most of the time. Sometimes, and then sometimes I'll eat some eggs. I don't know. It just all just depends. I sprayed my pan so it wouldn't, stuff wouldn't stick. And I'm gonna throw it in the oven. So we hit bake. I'm gonna do 375 and start. And I'll probably keep it in for like a half an hour or so. You just do your own thing, you know what I mean? It's not a recipe. It's kind of something I made up. Here we go. It's kind of something I made up. To eat low carb, I might have to have a bigger pan. We'll see. I just may have to. I don't know yet. I ain't even got those in there yet, but I'm going to. I got them out chickens, but I know to throw them in there. Oh, I forgot. I got to drain this. Get your chicken in here. Look at the can. I think I might need a bigger pan. Hold on. Okay, you guys, I grabbed the bigger pan. Much better. Yes. So now, I'm going to have to clean this one. Oh, well. Big chunk of chicken. Spread it all around. This is kind of like a chicken casserole. Got up on my menu. Got a new menu all made out, too. All low-carb meals, so, yeah. But I was looking for something yummy for lunch. You know what I mean? But low-carb. Okay. My towel. And then I got the garlic and herb. I'm going to slap on it. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to grate up this cheese and put it on it real quick. You guys, in this too, you can also put cream and mushroom soup. It's really good in it too. Just so you know. If you want some cream and mushroom in it. I've done that before too. Usually that's how I do my broccoli and chicken casserole. But I'll use chicken breast and all that. I'll show you guys that too. Yes, I will. Yeah. And a bite for me. You guys, these cheese graters, you gotta wash them right away. Pretty much right away. The cheese gets stuck on them and there. No easy to get out. But I got quite a few dishes there. But I need to wash anyways. So, let's go ahead and sprinkle the cheese on. The oven's got another minute or so, but we'll go ahead and throw it in anyways. While this cooks, we'll get our dishes done. Doesn't that look yummy? And I'm trying to do some low carb tonight because I know that make the biscuits and gravy last night, so I'm hoping to make them tonight with some eggs. You know, kind of like a, you know, low carb. All right, let's put it in the oven. And like I said, I just put it into, and I'll check it. You know, it's probably about half hour. I'd say half an hour. I just kind of watch it and let it do its thing, you know. Okay. Now notice, everybody gets mad because they act like I don't do nothing. And then when I do stuff and show the videos that I do stuff in, you know, like my cleaning, they don't watch them as much. It's so hilarious. Everybody thinks I don't do anything. And then when I do show them they're doing something, they don't watch them. So funny. But oh well. Guess you don't like it. Ain't nothing I can do about it, you know. There ain't nothing I can do about it. Guess you don't like it, you don't like it. So funny. So funny. They say, oh, you lie. But you sure do watch those live videos, you say? I do. They get more views too. When you say I'm lying. I'm just doing my cooking videos. A lot of you do like it, you know. They don't get as many views either, but oh well. I do it for the ones that do like it. Especially when I'm really eating good and if everybody thinks I don't and I ain't losing no weight. Blah, blah, blah. Makes it even more funnier. I watched you in a year. It don't look like you've lost an ounce of weight. Oh, cruddy. I have. Maybe not like dropped 100 pounds like you think I should. I am a food addict, so I don't drop 50 pounds a month or nothing. Sometimes it's 5 pounds a month. Sometimes it's 5 pounds a month, and sometimes it's 10 pounds. It just depends. Sometimes it's only 2 pounds. It all depends. Yes, it does. Guys, look, it's all done. Had it in for about half an hour at $3.75. I know people ask me, but I just kind of just throw it in. I then got a fork, and the broccoli's nice and soft. This is good and healthy for you. Very healthy. This dish will definitely not make you fat. Okay, let's eat some.